Hello there, my name is Brian Ching, and I'm here to report about the USB 4.0 and Thunderbolt. First, let us take a look at the USB series and their end connection. The USB series have the USB Type A, B, and C, the Micro A and B, and Mini A and B. The USB 4.0, or the series of USB generations, is not really well known, so let us take a look at how they differentiate from each other. The USB 1 was made during 1996 with speeds up to 12 megabytes per second. This was also one of the most commonly seen USB, where the plastic inside is the color white and uses Type A, Type B, Mini A and B, Micro A and B for its connectors. The second generations of USB have gained a significant improvement in its transfer rate. The USB 2.0 was made in the year 2000 and has increased from 12 megabytes per second to 480 megabytes per second for its max speed. Similarly, the USB 2.0 also uses the same type of connectors. It is also recognizable by the plastic inside of the USB with the color black. Then there was the USB 3.0. The USB 3.0 has another version called the USB 3.1 and 3.2. The increased transfer rate between the USB 3.0 and the USB 2.0 has also increased significantly, as the max speed is now 5 gigabits per second. The 3.1 version, on the other hand, has a max speed of 10 gigabits per second, and they are both recognizable by the blue plastic in the USB. The 3.2 version is even higher than the USB 3.1, having 20 gigabits per second. Meanwhile, this version of the USB uses Type A, Type B, Mini B, and Micro B. Lastly, the latest of the USB versions is USB 4.0. The USB 4.0 is the strongest among the four generations of the USB, as it boasts of 4 gigabits per second. It is now different from the rest of the previous USB generations, as it now doesn't come in as Type A, but only as Type C. Now let us talk about Thunderbolt. Thunderbolt is very close to the USB Type-C connector. Its purpose is to connect devices to computers, and compared to the USB, it has the difference of speed, flexibility, and connectivity. Like the current USB, Thunderbolt has four generations. The Thunderbolt 1 was built in 2011 and used the MDP, or the Mini Display Connector. It also boasts of using 20 gigabits per second, already making it similar to the USB 3.2 version. It also uses 4 slots of the PCI Express 2.0 and DisplayPort 1.1a. The next generation of Thunderbolt was built in 2013 and is rather similar to the first generation, as it still uses the MDP. It also has the same bitrate of 20 gigabits per second and uses the same 4 slots of PCI Express. However, it now uses a DisplayPort of 1.2. The Thunderbolt 3 was built 2 years later than the Thunderbolt 2 at 2015 and has now changed from the previous generations, as it now uses the USB Type-C connector. It also now supports the bitrate of 40 gigabits per second, similar to the fourth generation of USB. It also has 4 PCI Express slots 3.0 and a DisplayPort of 1.2, uses HDMI 2, and uses USB Gen 2. The Thunderbolt 4 was made 5 years later in 2020, and like the Thunderbolt 3, it uses the USB-C connector. Like the previous generation, it also has the same bitrate of 40 gigabits per second. However, now it uses two 4K displays, and compared to the Thunderbolt 3, the PCIe uses 32 gigabytes per second. Now, going back to the main issue at hand, what is the difference between Thunderbolt and USB 4? The USB 4 is a single cable, single connection for power, data, video, and audio. On the other hand, the Thunderbolt can only deliver high-speed data transfer, output a video signal, and deliver power. They are both important for different use cases. As mentioned earlier, the USB 4 allows transfer of high-capacity files or data, which makes it ideal for transferring large files, connecting devices to computers, and connecting multiple monitors and video displays. Similarly, the Thunderbolt can also serve the same purpose, as it can also transmit data at high speed. However, What the USB 4 cannot do that the Thunderbolt can is to do networking activities, support two 4K displays, and have PCIe slots in it. All in all, two of them have their similarities and differences between the two. Ultimately, the decision to choose from the two would depend for the purpose of your need. As in the current market, most Thunderbolt are using USB 4.0, but not all USB 4.0 are using Thunderbolt.